and thank you for contacting Wave Support. The question, I believe, is how to adjust a particular quadrant or sector on a wave lens using freeform. So this design is in RSIM right now. The easiest thing to do is if you want to try to get that lens to lay down more completely or more uniformly, go to freeform, click on Tools and Current Settings to redesign that lens. And after redesigns, you could look at each quadrant or each radial. For example, if you want to adjust this particular radial here, this 10 o'clock radial by itself, click over to 25% quadrant control, and you can adjust that single meridian of the lens however manner that you want. You can go around the entire clock dial doing that, just to adjust it around. And if you have a pretty nice design, you can go from there. If you're talking about trying to use the one side of the lens to try to nudge the lens over in the other direction, you can go to 50%. If you remember, that's going to change this one hemisphere of the lens. And if you want to try to push the lens a little bit over to the left, you can bring this one down a little bit. Tighten this side up, and this entire quadrant will come down a little bit. In essence, that will loosen up the other side. If you want to go back over here to this one now and loosen up this other side a bit. In essence, you've flattened the one hemisphere and you've tightened up the other one. So that will, and then of course you can go each radial if you want to in the 25% quadrant control. Well, hopefully that answers the question that you had. I wish you well and thank you for contacting Wave Support. Have a great day.